You might have heard the news that Visicon has signed up as an integration partner with Dobot Robotics in the UK. Don't worry, we haven't lost sight of who we are. We're still the machine vision experts. But those machine vision systems might need a robot. A lot of the time when we're doing multi-point inspection, for instance, you might be looking around an engine and checking that various things are present. That could take 7, 10, 15, 20 cameras. It's just not viable. But we could take one camera, put it on the end of a robot and move that camera around and take images as we go. Unfortunately, in a lot of cases, especially when we're dealing with SME manufacturers, that becomes cost prohibitive. Now, Dobot are on a mission, both in the UK and worldwide, to break down those barriers to allow people to take up automation at a price point that still works for them. That's why we've partnered with Dobot, bringing you the latest and greatest machine vision systems in combination with collaborative robots at a price point that works for you.